Hey guys, it's Olivia. So, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can all make your own at-home garden using upcycled materials. Basically like a DIY, cheap, budget garden. I have been obsessed with plants, and my mom has also gotten pretty obsessed with plants, and my sister's like into them. She's not really obsessed with them like me and my mom. We have never really had a successful garden. We've tried growing like sprouts and things before, but I don't think we ever really took care of them enough, which is why they died. I have kept a lot of plants alive recently, which I never used to be able to do. So I think that this time things are gonna work out. Anyways, we recently signed up for the whole masterclass thing, and we watched a masterclass on gardening, and he used a lot of upcycled materials like shoes, suitcases, boxes, drawers, and I honestly think it's a great way to garden because not only are you growing your own food, which is sustainable, you're also upcycling materials to grow those things. So it's like a double win, basically. We have this old TV stand in my basement that has not been used for years. It's covered in a bunch of like old scrapbooks and like photo books and stuff. It's basically like a bookcase right now. My mom came up with the idea that she wanted to use that to turn into our above ground garden. I thought this could be a really cool video to show you guys that it's really easy to start a garden and it doesn't have to be expensive at all. And with that, let's get on to the first step, which is, you know, taking the bookcase and taking all the stuff out of it, cleaning it, taking the drawers off of it, you know, putting it together. Okay, change of plans. First, before we set the TV stand up and get that all fixed up, we have to go pick up the soil from Home Depot. So we put in an order online. We're gonna go pick that up, and yeah, we're doing that first.
I bought a palm tree.
This is our TV stand. We're gonna have to empty this and then take those doors off, and we'll probably have to take the back off of this or somehow drill like holes in it so it can drain, you know. We managed to get the stand up and out of the basement. We're just gonna clean it a little bit because it does have a little bit of molding towards the bottom since our basement flooded a while back. We're just gonna throw a bunch of dirt in it, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. That way, yeah, now all of the got that basement smell, like Parasite. That smells what really drove him over the edge.
Yeah, but that drove me over the edge too because it's like such condescending bullshit.
Okay, we got it out here. Move, Mia. Damn, why'd you throw it?
Where are we gonna put the other one?
Next to it.
Right here?
Yeah. Actually, I think we should put it on this side because this could be where we set tools when we're gardening. Wanted it flipped.
All right, let's flip it. It's not that heavy. This is because leaves turn into compost and we don't have that much soil. So I figured we could put leaves on the bottom to build it up a little bit.
Next step, adding the soil.
Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him. Can't convince me that it didn't happen. Fed them to tigers, they...
Take your dirt.
All right, give me my camera again.
The only fault is that our yard is like on a complete slant, which is super annoying. But the way we put the dirt in is gonna keep it level. You can even see like the dirt is like slanted. And my mom is gonna try to grow some potatoes and onions in like coffee bags here. She knows someone whose husband like owns a coffee shop, so we asked him for some coffee bags and they sent us a bunch, which is another upcycling project. I will update you guys next time we work on this. So it has been a few days. I would say maybe 4 or 5 days.
I'm looking a little rough today.
My eyes, at least to me, they look a little puffy and red. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can because I'm used to my face. I've just been going through it a little bit. But today we are going to plant all of the vegetables that we have and also making the potato sacks and onion sacks. I'm gonna bring you along on the planting process and show you guys the end result because I'm really excited about this. I think it's a really cool project, and I can also show you one other thing I did during this week. If you guys go to my Instagram, you can see the challenge that I've been participating in. It's a challenge that my mom made up on Facebook. Every single day you are working to clean up the house a little bit. So on day 1 you get rid of 1 item, day 2 you get rid of 2, day 3 you get rid of 3. It's a challenge to see who can go the longest till they give up. One of the items that I upcycled from that was like a little decorative drawer thingy, and I turned it into a little herb garden for the kitchen. I'll show you guys that because I was really proud of it and I feel like it came out super cute. Let's go get to planting. This is going to have onions, and we just threw a bunch of these like little tiny onions in it because they're supposed to grow really big. And then this one we're going to be putting the regular potatoes in, and then this one's going to be sweet potatoes. Now that this stuff is done, we're gonna bring out all the vegetables that we have. That one has pumpkins in it already. We have these 3 compartments to figure out how we're gonna plant everything else. What we have here is, these are watermelon right here. Then we've got 2 zucchini. These are kale. And then these 2 chip containers, I think are cucumbers. These 2 are broccoli. I don't remember what we planted. I just know this one's carrots because we planted in the orange one. And I know I planted broccoli in a big one. No, I think this one's broccoli. This one's cucumbers because this looks like the same seeds as these ones.
The one that I did.
And I have no idea what's in this one. That is what we have to work with. Okay. And then we have these sugar snap peas. I can set them like right here for now. So I like how this area is set up, so I'm gonna work on this area first, and I'm gonna watch Glee while I plant stuff. So get ready for this montage. Okay, so we got everything planted. My mom ended up doing 1 more bag of onions. This is kind of a lot of food, we're realizing, if it even grows. So we're hoping that if this does grow and we have a bunch of extra food, that we can possibly donate it eventually. These two, and those 2 pots are all wildflowers. So, before I end this video, I wanted to show you guys the little herb garden that I was talking about. I'll insert a before picture of what this looked like, and here is the after.
How cute is that?
That is the end of this video. I hope that it inspired you guys to make your own gardens. Just goes to show you can make a garden out of anything. If you do end up creating your own gardens, definitely send me a picture on Instagram. I would love to see them because I think they're just all so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.